Well, I'm outside recording and it's night, and right now the reason why you can see me is because up there is a street light. So that light's shining down on me now. As I go around in a circle, you can see some different lighting possibilities. Also right now I have a car that's shooting light at me right now across the street from me as well. So that's helping. So every bit of light helps at night when you're filming. So don't be afraid to use available lighting to go out and take some interesting videos and photos. As always, rock and roll, and of course it does compute. If you like this type of content, please subscribe to my YouTube channel because that will totally compute. Make you dizzy right now. Computed. So you just do it. It's like that.